Hi, are you looking for some fun and healthy, easy snacks for the kids? The Sensible Nutrition Program cookbook has a whole bunch of really good recipes. My name is Wendy, and I'm a nutrition educator for the Sensible Nutrition Program. Today I'm going to show you a recipe. It's called fishing with fruits and vegetables. It's super fun, and the kids can help. So I'm going to show you how to make that now. We're going to start off with equal parts of vanilla yogurt and peanut butter. I use the creamy peanut butter. I think the kids like it the best. You can make as much of this as you want. I'm using about 1/4 cup. This would be a good snack for 1 or 2 people. If you want to make more, you can use 1 cup of yogurt and 1 cup of peanut butter. They're just the same amount. So we're just going to mix that together. And this is our bait for our fishing snack. We're going to mix that really well, get it all incorporated, and then I'm going to show you how to do the fishing game. Kids can help wash the fruits and veggies. They can help mix up and measure the dip. It's so much fun to do, and everybody likes it. It's a family favorite at our house. All right, so this is our bait, and for our fishing poles, we're going to be using our fruits and veggies. And I've got some cut up celery sticks, apple slices, and carrots. And what we're going to do is we will just dip into our bait. So we've got our fishing pole and we've got our bait, and then we're going to try and catch some fish. So I've got some whole grain cereal here, and oh my goodness, I've caught like 6 fish. It's going to be so yummy. So I'm going to eat it now, and you can try it at home too and see if you like it. Mmm. So good.